Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I hope you're all doing amazingly well, and hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can stop CCleaner pop-ups from appearing, so let's get right into it. First of all, CCleaner is a cleaning software for your PC and for mobile phones. Its main purpose is to delete junk files. As you can see here under the custom clean options, you can delete internet cache and other cache memory, internet history, cookies, and so on and so forth, temporary files and things of that nature. You can also perform health checks, optimize your performance, update your drivers, clean or modify your registry, which I would advise against. Use these tools such as drive wipers, uninstalling programs, software updaters, startup process modification, and so on and so forth. Now, once you install CCleaner, you will be getting pop-ups in the bottom right of your screen, which is quite unfortunate, I know. However, there is a way to disable this, and the way you actually disable this is by going into options. And once you're here, you will be open on settings, and these settings don't have anything to do with it. What you do need to check is under all of these that there are no options for CCleaner to run when your PC starts. However, even if you don't run it, it will still give you pop-ups. The way to solve this is to go into smart cleaning and make sure smart cleaning is disabled. As you can see here, this checkmark is empty. This checkbox is empty. You can also go into updates and disable both of these, both sending notifications and keeping it updated regularly and automatically. I will just restart that. But yeah, those are the ways that you can use to disable the pop-ups. After that, your pop-ups will disappear. And that's been about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.